kindergarten parents, before submitting your kindergarten application, please come take a virtual tour of our school. Miss Lynn, our principal, will host a live open house on Monday, January 11th at 5:30 p.m. If you're not able to make it, it's okay. You can visit us at ps305.com and see a virtual open house video, which will be posted from January 12th till January 19th.
Hi boys and girls, I'm Miss Alyssa. I'm one of the kindergarten teachers here in PS 305. And in kindergarten, we like to welcome everyone with a warm and welcoming smile, accompanied with rigor instruction. We can't wait to meet everyone in our classroom. We have playtime, free time. We also do a lot of learning, and it's going to be such a great and fun year. We really value everybody, and we cannot wait to see everybody.
Hey boys and girls, welcome to PS 305. I'm Mr. Michael, one of the kindergarten teachers here. In my classroom, we like to enjoy ourselves and have lots of fun learning, treating each other kindly and respectfully, and I look forward to meeting all of you.
Thank you for trusting learners and leaders in providing the best educational experience that your child deserves.